Garden hose, hose pipe, or simply hose is a flexible tube used to convey water. There are a number of common attachments available for the end of the hose, such as sprayers and sprinklers, which are used to concentrate water at one point or to spread it over a large area. Hoses are usually attached to a hose spigot or tap. Sunhose is a professional manufacturer of garden hose, flexible PVC hose in China. Garden hoses are typically made of extruded PVC or soft plastic, often reinforced with an internal web of fibers. As a result of these materials, garden hoses are flexible and their smooth exterior facilitates pulling them past trees, posts, and other obstacles. Garden hoses are also generally tough enough to survive to scrape on rocks and being stepped on without damage or leaking. As implied by the name, garden hoses are commonly used to transport water for gardening, lawn care, and other landscaping purposes. They are also used for outdoor cleaning of items such as vehicles, equipment, building exteriors, and animals.